Hello everyone. Before I want to say welcome to my channel basically. We will create the application and namespace on Kubernetes cluster with using Argo CD. Our main topic is Argo CD for today. Argo CD is very powerful tool to create the application on Kubernetes cluster with using the GitHub repository, GitHub folders, and YAML files. There is a very powerful. If you change the some application and turn the back for before revision on your cluster, you can use the Argo CD. There is a easy way for us and DevOps engineer. Firstly, we have to create the GitHub repository to apply and create the resources on Kubernetes cluster. I already created the public repository on my GitHub account and name is Argo CD-example. And also I was connected to my Visual Studio Code for my workstation. I have a one worker node like this, and there is my workstation, and it's running like master node and running like worker node. It's single node and working together, and it's have a master role and worker role. There is a just home lab for us and for me. Also, I want to create a folder, and under the Argo CD example there is my main repository. Just Argo CD example 1 and create the YAML file, and I will copy from this. Name must be ended.yaml, ns.yaml like this, and paste this one and change the name. Argo CD example -1. Also, I want to check my namespaces. You can see we don't have a Argo CD -example -1, and when we create the application, it will apply the automatically, and it will create on our Kubernetes cluster. Just push your files for your GitHub repository and check your folder and GitHub YAML file. Yes, our folder was created and my YAML file is here. Argo CD -example -1. Let's create the application from Argo CD and main area here, and I will explain another section for another video. And today we will click the new app and type the application name. I will type the Argo CD example -1, and project name is default. Also, we can create another project name, another permissions, another settings for another or same the project. Also, I just choose the default because I have just one project here. Sync policy is automatic. When we choose the automatic, it will apply the differences before YAML file and new YAML file. It will apply the automatically on our cluster, and it will create the resources with automatic sync. And we can type our repository and I will type like this one. And revision, I want to choose branch, and my branch is main branch. Also, we can choose the test, stage, dev, and another branch name here, which is we have on our repository. And path name is must be folder name. And we have a Argo CD dash example dash one. We can type like this, or this repository already pointed Argo CD example folder, and we can type the another folder name here. And cluster URL is default, which is running the Argo CD cluster, and namespace. It can be blank here, and just create. Yes, Argo CD example created, and we can see here, and it created the namespace Argo CD example, and you can see the type, and you can click, and you can see the YAML file, differences, desired manifest, and events here. If you create a pod, you can see events, and also you can see the logs from Argo CD. There is a powerful for us good way. And check the our cluster type the Kubernetes. There's a some executable file on my machine, and it can show us the our namespaces. It can be read the files and API server from YAML file, cluster installation YAML file, kubeconfig YAML file. And this one we can see before we don't have a Argo CD dash example dash one, and also we can see now here there's a basic. I just explain basically today how can we use the Argo CD basically, and also I will create another videos to control the UI for Argo CD and create the pod deployments, replica set, stateful set, or another resources on Kubernetes cluster. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.